Hello guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. I'm so excited to take you to today's course. Guess what? What are we gonna learn today? I need the first comment to tell me what we're gonna learn today. Oh wow, you made it! Today we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 100 in Kinyarwanda. Are you excited? Are you curious to know? Keep watching this video till the end and then make sure you subscribe if you didn't and share with your friends so that they can learn as well. Yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you are excited as well. Let's start. I am going to start from 1 up to 10. Afterwards, I will stop to give you time to repeat and I will come up from 11 up to 20, like that. So let's start. Rimwe, kabiri, gatatu, kane, gatanu, gatandatu, karindwi, umunani, icyenda, icumi. Rimwe, kabiri, gatatu, kane, gatanu, gatandatu, karindwi, umunani, icyenda, icumi. Cumi na rimwe, cumi na kabiri, cumi na gatatu, cumi na kane, cumi na gatanu, cumi na gatandatu, cumi na karindwi, cumi n'umunani, cumi n'icyenda, makumyabiri. Cumi na rimwe, cumi na kabiri, cumi na gatatu, cumi na kane, cumi na gatanu, cumi na gatandatu, cumi na karindwi, cumi n'umunani, cumi n'icyenda, makumyabiri. We already know 10 and 20 in Kinyarwanda. The next is 30. Let's start. Mirongo itatu, mirongo ine, mirongo itanu, mirongo itandatu, mirongo irindwi, mirongo inani, mirongo cyenda, ijana. We are now going to start from 10 to 100. Let's go. Icumi, makumyabiri, mirongo itatu, mirongo ine, mirongo itanu, mirongo itandatu, mirongo irindwi, mirongo inani, mirongo cyenda, ijana. Repeat more often and focus on spelling. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.